Good morning everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday and let's get right into the charts. For Bitcoin right now, as you can see, we are trading. Basically, if we go like this on the 6 hourly, you can see we are currently creating our new Monday range. And currently the price is trading above the daily and the weekly open level. We did manage to get above that high volume node POC, which price was stuck right here. Once you can see right here, before a couple of hours we were basically hitting that POC as a very strong resistance, and right now price finally managed to push above it, and we did push like 0.5% towards the upside. Currently trading above the weekly pivot, as you can see. This is the brand new weekly pivots for this week. Also this volume profile, you can see the value area high is around 70, almost 71k basically, which is also where our weekly R1 is sitting. On the weekly time frame, Bitcoin does look like it has a lot of potential for more upside. You can see right here we basically had a lot of downwards momentum, and right now we are expecting basically some green candles to form in here. Basically, after so much time spent in the red, we are due for some green candles to basically print. So we are, as of right now, trying to print that weekly green candle, but of course the week has just started. Let's look at the daily time frame. Basically, you can see right here on the daily, let me just enable that RSI momentum. You can see on the daily time frame the RSI momentum is approaching that 50 line, and on the weekly the RSI momentum is bouncing currently, as you can see, from that 20 line right here after getting oversold. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, we have not been that oversold on the weekly RSI since June 2022 basically. The last, basically almost the bottom of the bear market right here. Now, could this be the bottom? It could be for now. If we manage to hold basically above this range. If not, price could fall down and test the bottom of this range, which would be around 48, and we might get a hit of that yearly support. But basically, as of right now, you can see right here, we are currently trading above that order block that we have right here. And my next target would be that EMAs. Basically, they are acting as resistance. You can see we've hit right now the first EMA that we have right here. And the next move I would be expecting to potentially be something like this. We could go all the way up towards 72.3k, which is also where we have basically a liquidity cluster sitting. You can see all the way from 71 to 73k we have all this remaining liquidity, which has not been swept yet, and I do expect for Bitcoin to eventually go up and sweep that liquidity. Fear and greed index is right now still at 12, basically remaining in that extreme fear for quite an extended period of time right now, but this is normal. In a heavy downtrend, those indicators do basically tend not to work as much. Spot ETFs, we don't have any updates as of right now. Long versus shorts ratio, we do have currently more sellers in the market. Actually, let's look at the open interest. So price is going up, open interest is going down. This is not a good sign. We could see at least one more push towards the upside. But other than that, as you can see, volume is very, very thin. And open interest, you can see right here, is as of right now dying once again. Basically, we don't have many new positions opening up. CVD is also down. We don't have any delta coming into the market right now. If we look on lower time frame, we actually had like 2.5% of a move since this morning. But yeah, you can see open interest is basically getting flushed out once again. We could get another squeeze up towards the upside. This could be either shorts closing up, I think, since we got that nice move towards the upside. Maybe bears are exiting their positions right now. But other than that, let's look at some altcoins. Ethereum is right now, basically you can see we are currently hitting resistance against the weekly pivot. We've not yet touched that EMA yet. Solana is bouncing from the weekly pivot actually, and from this order block that we have right here. Let's just get on a bigger time frame. You can see this is a very important support into a resistance flip, and right now we are basically bouncing into that support. Hype still remaining above $30, which is pretty nice to see. SUI is below $1 still, nothing new here. XRP is trying to gain some momentum on the daily time frame. It does actually look like it's due for another push-up, but of course we need to see Bitcoin get that move towards the upside in order for us to see that continuation for the altcoins as well. The dollar seems to be getting nice momentum towards the upside. It could retest again that monthly open level or even the yearly open level. It is very, very possible. Other than that, let's see what else do we have. Funding rates are basically on most of the exchanges. I do see it is negative on the bigger ones, but let's look at the news. We don't have any news for today. We do have some news coming out on Wednesday, and we do have some news on, basically important news on Wednesday and Friday are going to be the most important days for this week. You can see we do have quite a lot going on right here. We got PMI, we got PCE, we got home sales, we got basically a lot of news this week, but they're going to be coming out at the end of the week. Basically, you can see right here on Friday. And I think basically this covers it for today. Basically the bias is leaning more bullish for today. If we could see another move towards the upside, that would be great. But other than that, I do think that this covers it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.